Hello, it's Brett with Whiskey 7 Backroads, and Idaho Part 1 is coming up now. We stayed the first night in Hell's Canyon and then went up the Kleinschmidt Grade on our way to Cuprum, Idaho, a small town to the northwest of Council. Here we are filling up our water. Here's the main water filler. We're pumping it into the manifold, filling our tanks up. After filling up our water tanks, we went up the road and found a really cool campsite, which I will post the GPS coordinates below. The dogs were anxious to get out, so we stopped and had a break, and I did a little drone footage. It was early in the day, so we didn't camp here, but I sure would have if it would have been later in the day. Then we continued down the road and came across a couple of old cabin sites and explored some of the old barns in the area. At the end of the day, Rusty was very tired and was sleeping in my lap as I was trying to drive. Hope you enjoyed the video. Look for Idaho Part 2 coming up next. Thanks for watching.